So let me show you how to hide photos and videos on your Pixel 10. So in the Photos app, you have all your photos and all your videos. If you want to hide some, all you have to do is select them. So let's say I want to hide this one, long press on it, this one, and this too. Okay. So what you need to do is once you select them, scroll at the menu at the bottom there, and you should see the option move to locked folder. So tap on that, and then tap on move, and they're going to get moved to the locked folder, which is basically the hidden folder. Right now, you can always access the locked folder by going to collections, and then at the bottom of that page you should see locked. Tap on that, and that's going to always be secured with a fingerprint or a password. Once you tap on that, and you can see all your hidden photos and videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.